Hi, in this video we are going to solve an intermediate level SQL problem. My name is Juan Martinez and I'm a data analyst. So in this tutorial we are going to do it together, solving this problem. And first we need to head to sqlpractice.com. This is the website we are going to use. Then we need to click on Hospital DB, and then we need to click on View All Questions. We need to select difficulty medium, and we need to scroll down until we see the question which says show first name, last name, and the total number of admissions attended for each doctor. Every admission has been attended by a doctor. We select that one. Oops, sorry about that. We get rid of this. And now we can begin solving our SQL problem. Okay, first I can take a look at the tables we need to use. In this case, we have two tables instead of one. The first one is the admissions table. And if we click on this green arrow, we can see the rows, the information inside. And also we have a doctors table. And if we click on the green arrow again, we can see the information inside this table. So you can see this is all information related to hospitals. So on hints, we can see this the expected output. This is the output we should get after making our query or typing our query. And if we click on get hint again, we can see some keywords we can use to solve this problem. And if we click on get hint one more time, we get a portion of the solution. So this is going to show us some lines of SQL code so that we can get an idea on how to solve this problem. But I encourage you to solve it on your own before watching all the hints, and try it first. And if you are stuck, or if you are unable to do it, or if you want to compare your solution with ours, you can resume the video and we can do it together step by step. Okay, so first of all we need to understand the problem. So it says show first name, last name, and the total number of admissions attended for each doctor. Every admission has been attended by a doctor. Okay, so now let's break it down. First it says show first name, last name, and total number of admissions. So we can begin by doing that. Select with select statement, select first name, comma, last name, and total number of admissions attended for each doctor. Okay, so we need to use count, and we need to count everything, right? Later on we are going to group by. So if I just okay, then I need to select from which table. So I'm going to, so first name and last name appear in the doctors table, so I'm going to use from doctors. Okay, but this, if I try to run this query, it won't work. Okay, well it will work, but it's not the correct solution, because it's only giving us the one name and a count of the rows. I can give an alias to this, but we need to count the total number of admissions attended for each doctor. So the admissions, the information about the admissions is in the admissions table, not in the doctors table. Okay, the doctors table only gives us the doctor ID, the name of the first name of that doctor, the last name of that doctor, and the specialty. That's all. But if we take a look at the admissions table, we can see that here are all the admissions, and we can see that we have an attending doctor ID. So if we take a closer look to the admissions table, we can see that attending doctor ID, it's a foreign key. You can see the silver, or the key here, the silver key. And this attending doctor ID, it's a foreign key. It's referring to the doctor ID in the doctors table. So you can see doctor ID is a primary key in this table. So that means that these two tables are connected via this column. Okay, this foreign key attending doctor ID and doctor ID in the doctor's table. So, for example, this doctor attending doctor ID number 21, if we take a look at the doctor's table, it's the same as this one, okay? Lisa Cudi. So I just need to finish the alias count as num admissions. Okay, so what can I do? I need to connect these two tables. So to do that, we need to join. So I'm going to join the admissions table with the doctors table on the same column, the column that they are have in common. So in this case, the attending doctor ID in the admissions table and the doctor ID in the doctors table. So I'm going to say on admissions dot attending doctor ID equals doctors dot doctor ID. Okay. So if I do this, I can see that now we are counting the number of admissions, but we are not done yet because we need to group by every doctor, first name and last name. And now if I do this and I run the query, we get the query correct. So now as I grouped, we are counting how many times this particular doctor had admissions or had patients in the hospital. So you can see the solution provided by the website. It's pretty similar to ours, and you can see another solution provided by the website, an alternative solution, so you can compare it and see if you did it correctly or similar. So this is it for this problem, and I'll see you in the next one. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you're watching this as a part of a course, also you can leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.